Okay, class, today we're going to be working on the American colonies. And one of the big ways that the colonies were divided were into the north and south. Does anybody know of how these areas might be different than each other? Like how they might differ in geographic terms? Yes.
I think the North colonies, the temperature is more cold.
Oh, okay, so yeah, it's cold. Okay. Does anybody else know anything about the colonies or what the geography's like around there? Oh yeah, go ahead.
Well, in the south, it would be a lot warmer and humid.
Oh, yeah.
In the north.
Very good. Okay. Now, these things are really important actually, and they manifest in different ways. First, the south, since it's warmer and more humid there, the south can implement more productive agriculture. That means that they can grow a lot more things on smaller amounts of land because the weather's better. And this manifests in plantation-style agriculture. And that just means that you can grow a certain type of crop, usually cotton, tobacco, or even like soybeans today, in very productive manners on large-scale farms. For the north, however, since it's colder there and they have longer winters, they practiced a smaller scale of farming. It's still not really small. This is still fairly productive, but they grew more diverse crops. They'd grow pumpkins, they'd grow beans, they'd grow corn, a large collection of things to come through the winter. Now, in the economics, this is important because this leads to one crop systems for the south, where all they grow is one type of thing, like cotton, which will become bigger later in our lectures. And the north will have a more diverse collection of crops. This allows them to feed themselves and provide for most of their needs, whereas the south will need to generally import more things from the north because they're only growing one thing. And this is important.
I have a question. So what you're saying that since the geography is different between the north and south, you're able to, the economy is different because it relies on their type of land. Right?
Exactly.
So the north, having more trees, that's why they're able to build ships and
Yes.
fishing is a strength over there for the economy.
Yeah, that's another good thing that we put under geography is timber. Each of these areas has different resources to call on that affect their economy. Since there's more timber in the north, they can build more boats. And like what we'll see eventually is because the south specializes, they make a lot of money early on because they can sell a lot of cotton. But since there's no diversity, they lose out in the long run because they just stop making more complex goods. So we will, do we have any questions for right now? Okay, let's go ahead and do book work then.
All right.